Ya terminé de hacer los sándwiches especiales.
Ya terminé de hacer los sándwiches. Hola chavos, I'm Levi Flint, your gringo language teacher. Here at this channel, I like to focus on Spanish and Portuguese. Those are my languages, that's my focus, and helping you become more fluent. In today's video, we're gonna break down a scene from a telenovela where we have a little boy preparing his dad his special sandwiches. And I think it's the stepmom who comes in. He gives her a special sandwich as well. Some slang, there's some good Spanish that you can learn here, okay? And this is focused in on Mexican Spanish, which is the focus here at this channel. Guys, follow me over at Instagram. If you want to follow me at Instagram, I'm at Levi Flint. Anyways, guys, let's listen to the scene all the way through. Then we'll circle back around and we'll break down line by line the Spanish that you're hearing. Let's begin.
Ya terminé de hacer los sándwiches especiales. ¿Qué son tus preferidos, papito?
Claro que son mis preferidos, porque los haces con tu receta secreta.
Tome.
Hoy te quedaron más ricos que nunca, hijo.
Va a probar mi sándwich especial, el favorito de mi papito.
Ok. Esto está asqueroso. ¿Qué es esta cochinada?
Pero los hice con mi receta secreta y les puse catsup.
¿Y a quién se le ocurre ponerle catsup a un sándwich? Nada más a un tonto. Hasta ganas de vomitar me dieron, voy al baño.
No te me achicopales, hijo. No es que a Doris no le haya gustado tu sándwich. Lo que pasa es que a ella no le gusta la katsu. Nada más.
Let's now break down the Spanish line by line. Remember, the vocabulary, the speech you're hearing here is from Mexico. Each country has their own vocabulary. It's going to be a little bit different, their own slang. And Mexico is our neighbor here in the United States, and it's also what you're going to hear the most here inside of the United States if you're listening for Spanish. Let's break it down.
Ya terminé de hacer los sándwiches especiales.
Ya terminé de hacer los sándwiches especiales. Okay? If you hear ya terminé, it's like I finished de hacer. Hacer, the verb hacer, to make or to do. Los sándwiches especiales, the special sandwiches. All right, it's his special thing.
¿Qué son tus preferidos, papito?
¿Qué son tus preferidos? Preferidos is like saying favoritos. Preferidos, favoritos, pretty much the same thing. Papito, he calls his dad papito. It's like saying daddy. Papi, papito, daddy.
Claro que son mis preferidos.
Claro que son mis preferidos. Of course, they're my favorite. Of course, they're my preferred. They're my favorite.
Porque los haces con tu receta secreta.
Porque los haces. You make them. Los haces. Remember, hacer, to do or to make. Con tu receta secreta. A receta is a recipe, your secret recipe.
Tome.
Tome. So the verb tomar, to take. If you tell somebody in an informal command, toma. Okay? Toma. Take it. He's saying it to his dad, so tome. He's using a little more formal language. Tome. Tome. Here you go.
Hoy te quedaron más ricos que nunca, hijo.
Te quedaron. So that's like they turned out better than ever, right? Okay, the verb is quedar. Quedar can be a lot of things. Quedarse is to stay, but if you use it, quedar, and I'll have to do a separate video on quedar, it can mean a lot of things. But if I'm talking about food, I could say, te quedó buenísimo. Like, it turned out perfectly. Like, you did a great job. I'll break this down in a future video. I think it's a really good topic.
Va a probar mi sándwich especial.
Now he's offering the sandwich to the stepmom.
Ok. Esto está asqueroso.
Okay. Estar asqueroso means to be disgusting. Estar is to be. Asqueroso is an adjective. And something can be asqueroso or asquerosa, depending if it's masculine or feminine. Asqueroso because it's un sándwich. So she's saying it's a disgusting sandwich. Ah, está asqueroso. Which is a really mean thing to say, right? To a little kid.
¿Qué es esta cochinada?
Okay, this is another good one. Very Mexican. ¿Qué es esta cochinada? A cochinada is like disgusting thing. Una cochinada is like, oh, it's a disgusting thing over there. ¿Qué es esta cochinada? What is this disgusting crap? More or less.
pero los hice con mi receta secreta.
Los hice con mi receta secreta. I made it with my secret recipe.
Y les puse catsup.
Okay, les puse catsup. So he put ketchup on the sandwich. So, poner is to put. This is an irregular verb. So if you're saying les puse, yo les puse, it's I put ketchup on them. Okay, I put ketchup on them is what he's saying.
¿Y a quién se le ocurre ponerle catsup a un sándwich?
So she says here really quickly, ¿a quién se le ocurre? ¿A quién se le ocurre? Who thinks to put ketchup on a sandwich, right? So if you want to say the same thing, who thinks to do this? ¿A quién se le ocurre? Whatever you want to say after that. ¿A quién se le ocurre? ¿A quién se le ocurre tomar coca 3 veces al día? Okay. Who thinks to drink 3 Cokes a day?
Nada más a un tonto.
Nada más un tonto. Okay. So, who thinks to do this? Just an idiot. Un tonto is the same as idiota. Un tonto, un idiota.
Hasta ganas de vomitar me dieron, voy al baño.
Hasta ganas me dieron de vomitar. Okay. It even gave me, made me feel like throwing up. Okay. Me da ganas de vomitar. Okay. It makes me want to throw up. Me da ganas de vomitar si como ostiones. So it makes me want to throw up if I eat oysters. Ugh, gross. Me da ganas.
No te me achicopales, hijo.
No te me achicopales. This is a very Mexican thing. They might say this in Central America too, but the verb achicopalarse. Achicopalarse is essentially like to get discouraged. So he's saying, don't get discouraged. And this is a real advanced word, achicopalarse. But just know that in this context, he's saying, don't get discouraged, son. Don't get discouraged. Your stepmom's a bitch. Don't worry.
No es que a Doris no le haya gustado tu sándwich.
It's not that Doris didn't like your sandwich.
Lo que pasa es que a ella no le gusta la katsu. Nada más.
The thing is, she doesn't like ketchup, okay? Lo que pasa es que, you'll hear this a lot in Mexican Spanish. Lo que pasa es que, when they're making up an excuse, Mexicans making up an excuse about anything. Lo que pasa es que no puedo salir contigo esta noche. I can't go out with you tonight. Lo que pasa es que tengo mucho sueño. Or, lo que pasa es que tengo que levantarme muy temprano mañana. I gotta get up really early tomorrow. Nada más. That's it. That's all we have for today's video breakdown, guys. I hope it helps. Hopefully it's not too fast, it's not too slow, and actually let me know in the comments below if it is, or if you have any recommendations on how I can make it a little better. Right now, I'm just trying to give a breakdown. I'm trying to show you guys the key words here on the screen. So make sure to let me know. And if you're just listening to this, I might be using these for podcast episodes in the very, very near future. If you're just listening, make sure to check out the YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe because I'm adding big, bold subtitles of the key words, the key vocabulary. This is to help guide you along and to just give you the key vocabulary, the key things that I want you to learn from every single video. So hopefully that helps. I will see you guys very soon. Follow me on Instagram, guys. Follow me here at YouTube. Subscribe. I really appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys muy pronto. I'll see you soon. Adios.